Abantu bamintona kibono I hope yamore anonsi asimore ganite biyande nonde gaiga quarantine so mocho itogsi bono egentonkere yanarore kiangechiri sana yani I'm feeling my heart is in pain ebiche yomo chief akomolera omusubati gete I think gusino musubati okonia marwa ko mumolera useneri ibuti gusene busa I don't know what that was. Yani inashtoka sana naki omo chief. This is supposed to be a leader. Na yaba kwanyoro monto neri bosa. Enye bono this time of quarantine. Aba yani ya corona abantu mbabwene tiko inabono konya maru ayu abantu bago chamo. Eyo ko increase the risk yoborero bogo spread but is it necessary umukia maru ali omolero monto? And by the way tena meta maru are very nini. Amaru na bago sambo monto. Because when I moreto muswati it is very possible skin yo monginori eye uchakiro motu etukie etige komera uchakira gabu omoberoi it is like era acid case style gete amarungo sambali ono kera mumura yani think understand it by the way this chief is a leader anayo bwana tomatena ki tiga ko ni amaruaya musiekere gabu abantu mbacha gabu but komo umolera afadhali enkomora na umoranse lakini kumura mwanya bantu gaki abantu bare in powers I don't know what is going on moisondi na royo ndakomura kibando cyomungina onkoni echiro akaumuranze rende yekire no yoko mumura maro bono tuikire as totally humans anymore yani it is like abantu bare in powers they are waiting for an opportunity korokia abantu buna nintu kusema agaiga yani bakanyereta gantu tukabaga keiga Waroki abantu mamaite ninki nche umugambi bweri konye ninche yani mbone temboro kimna na nche nimbwata powers asegete our leaders abantu bara above leadership ye chief eri abarore bicheri please take action aba chief wose onde bwensi oren power bakuwanero onye ende mnankwenda ko insist onye ko bwato moiri oren power omoskari omo chief yani abagambi aba please call them, talk to them but they baba human twa obunyama bwarore saba nyama bono bwachire ese mwanya abantu bani twachakira kora kamna etora abanyama it is wrong it is very wrong it is almost what nkwerwanera kon labda obotaka bwagerire this hard times akoni amaruari but now this is another expense yoko mwayo kwenda nyagitari it is not right please to take action let us advise each other and tigato gende gusabuna uboroiro obonyareko kogenda atambi otherwise thank you so much for continuing kogendra ko watch channel yetu ya Gusii Nation TV remember to like remember to comment and subscribe thank you so much today I'm not smiling because I'm not feeling well